So I've already got braids in my head. I'm just going to apply some black KUWT.NEWNEW glue to my edges. By slicking your edges out of the way, this ensures that you keep them protected while using this style. So now I'm just going to start applying my stocking cap by pulling it down onto my head. Now I prefer to pull this stocking cap all the way down to my eyebrows so that the band is away from my hairline, and this provides more of a seamless look when you're applying your lace. Pulling the stocking cap back so that I can apply some 91% alcohol to my forehead so I can remove the dirt and the oils away from my skin and make the glue more adherent. I'm just going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Palette and mix a couple of those colors in there to apply to my stocking cap so that it matches my skin tone and looks more realistic. Now I'm going to take my KUWT.NEWNEW glue blasting freezing spray. I'm going to spray it onto my hairline. After spraying my hairline, I then start to spray my whole head with the spray so that when I'm cutting my stocking cap to shape my head, it doesn't unravel, and it also makes it appear more translucent. Now I'm just going to go with my blow dryer just to speed up the drying time. Here I'm just going in and trimming off the excess stocking cap that I will not be needing. Here I'm just putting the lace on so I can see where it is that I actually need to cut it so that I can shape it to my head. Just pulling the hair out of the way so that I can trim the excess lace off, and then I'll be applying some blasting spray onto the actual hair so that while I get closer to the hairline, I won't trim any of the hairs by accident. Now applying a little bit of powder onto the inside of the lace wig makes it appear more lifelike and more realistic. So I like to adjust the wig a little bit before I actually put it on with the glue. So I like to see where it's at, where I need to apply it. And then I'm going to take some Ghost Bond glue, apply it onto a popsicle stick, and then I'll be applying it onto my forehead. Apply the Ghost Bond glue in 2 to 3 thin layer coats. It's best to work quickly with this glue because it dries very fast. As you can see, it's already turning clear as I'm putting it on. I like to apply it while it's still a little bit wet so that the lace can actually dry into the glue. When doing this step, you want to be careful that you pull the lace down first. Make sure that you're getting in the spot that you need to be in, and then press it down into the glue so that you're not pulling the lace back up and then putting it back down and making that glue untacky. When doing this step, I like to use either tweezers, rat tail comb, T-pins, or even the popsicle sticks to press it down into the actual glue. To avoid using your fingers to press down the lace, because by doing this you'll be getting the oils and the dirt from your skin into the bond of the lace and the glue, which will make the glue untacky. I'm taking my makeup brush and applying a little bit of concealer onto the actual lace to make it blend in more with my complexion. Again, with my blasting spray, I'm just going to spray the hairline. This acts like a meltdown method, and it makes the lace blend in more with your skin. Now I'm just taking a scarf and wrapping it around my head while the lace dries so that it dries securely tight in place and pressed down. This is what it looks like taking the scarf off. I went ahead and glued my back down off camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and start styling it by putting it in a ponytail. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.